Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the Ruger booth, SHOT Show 2018. And here we have Mark Gurney to tell us more about the Ruger Precision Rimfire.
So the centerfire Ruger Precision rifle doesn't need much introduction. Everybody knows it, loves it, but this is the new younger brother. But just because it's a younger brother and it's in 22 doesn't mean it's not packed with features. So it starts its life as a Ruger American Rimfire, so that's the barreled action under here. But the sharp, awesome engineers at the Ruger factory in Maydan, North Carolina, they made and designed and built this chassis system. It's glass-filled nylon, very well executed. And the business end down here is fully adjustable for length of pull, for the fore and aft position of the cone piece, and the vertical position of the cone piece. So between all the adjustability here, the exact same grip as on the Precision rifle, the exact same trigger, it's adjustable down to 2¼ pounds, and the AR style safety, this will exactly fit how you shoot your centerfire precision rifle. So not only is it good for training with a centerfire precision, but it's also an awful lot of fun. And if you can switch this, size this for a youngster, what a cool looking gun. If this is going to be their first gun, they're going to have a lot of fun with it. It's a very, very accurate gun. You have a heavy barrel. It's threaded .528 for suppressor use. We have an aluminum M-lock handguard here. It takes the 10-22 mags. We ship it with this 15-round BX-15, which is just the right size. You can easily hang on to it for a quick mag change, but there's enough space underneath so it doesn't bump into the ground when you're prone or on the bench. Notice the bolt throw here. If you look right there, the gun comes with a little spring clip there, but if you pop that spring clip out, the bolt throw goes to a full 3 inches, just like a centerfire precision rifle. So for plinking, target shooting, but also stretching out, when you try to do a little bit of long range work with this, wind really pushes the bullet around and will teach you the fundamentals of long range shooting, even if you don't have a long range to work with. So this Ruger Precision Rimfire, we're making the gun now, and it's available at your local firearms retailer.
All right, thanks Mark.
Thank you.
I appreciate you watching, and you guys be safe.